Hello, and welcome to the MinT training module for HTCP. Here, you will learn about the MinT and how to consolidate concrete with the device. The MinT, short for Miniature Vibration Table, is a portable external vibration table used to consolidate low slump concrete. These are concretes typically that have a slump less than 3 inches. Consolidating low slump concrete in the type B meter or sand meter via rotting or internal vibration may increase the variability of the test results. The MinT is designed to decrease the variability of the type B meter or sand meter that is caused by consolidation. However, the device cannot reduce the variability caused by materials, sampling, technician error, equipment issues, environmental conditions, or other sorts of error. There is a proper time when the MinT is to be used. You use the MinT when the slump is less than or equal to 3 inches, which are typically your slip-form paving mixtures. You do not need to use the MinT when the slump is greater than 3 inches, which are typically more flowable mixtures like pumped mixtures or hand placement mixtures. The equipment that you are going to need for the MinT is a 1 inch to 1 1/8 of an inch circular concrete vibration head that has a vibration speed between 12,000 and 14,000 vibrations per minute, VPM for short. The preferred vibration speed is 13,000 VPM. You will also need a socket wrench. You will need a 3/4 inch socket for the top bolt, and then you will need a 9 16 inch for the bottom bolts. Let's continue on to the procedure. The first step of the procedure is putting the MinT together. Grab the internal vibrator and slide it into the metal tube underneath the MinT. Next, hand tighten the bottom bolts until snug. Once hand tightened, grab a socket wrench with a 9 16 inch socket and tighten the bolts until snug. After all 3 bolts are tight, flip the MinT upright and use a 3/4 inch socket to tighten the top bolt until snug. The opposing bolt does not need to be tightened. Now grab the damp air pot and engage the clamp. Once clamped, give the bowl a firm twist to ensure it can't rotate. The MinT procedure requires 2 lifts. Start by mixing the component samples to create a single homogeneous sample. Once homogeneous, carefully start placing the first lift of concrete into the bowl. Fill the bowl at least half of the bowl's volume. It is okay to fill the bowl more than half, but no more than 2/3 the volume of the bowl. Once the first lift is done, set a timer for 50 seconds. Start the MinT and timer until 50 seconds elapses. After the first lift is consolidated, start placing the second lift gently into the bowl. It is okay to overfill the bowl, but it should be less than 1/8 of an inch above the rim. Once the second lift is placed, set a timer for 50 seconds. Start the internal vibrator and timer at the same time and wait for the timer to end. So in summary, the MinT is used for low slump concrete mixtures. These are typically your slip-form paving mixtures. The MinT procedure requires 2 lifts, with the first lift requiring half the bowl's volume being filled, but no more than 2/3 of the bowl's volume being filled. The second lift can be overfilled by approximately 1/8 of an inch over the rim. The thing you need to remember is that each lift requires the vibrator to be turned on for no more and no less than 50 seconds. This concludes the video, and good luck with testing.